my name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share with you how to make tortilla flour breakfast. By folding tortilla, I know how deep my cuts needs to be. Then I fold in half so I can easily see where I make my first 2 cuts. I need completely open my tortilla and fold in half where I already make my cuts. Now I'm making 5 cuts, equal as possible. My tortilla has total 10 cuts. My tortilla looks like flour, and I'm folding each petal on the top of previous petal. And last one, I'm going to fold in under next petal. We can cut it in advance and fill with food and assemble when needed. Flower-shaped tortillas we can use in different recipes. I'm going to share my simple breakfast cheese quesadilla for 2. I shred cheese, add salt, paprika and garlic powder. Then combine with slightly beaten egg. Then I fold my tortilla flour as I showed before. Because I measure the cut by folding, my tortilla closing perfectly. Before fry, I'm going to dip my tortilla in egg mixture. I add salt and milk to my egg and lightly mix it. I carefully hold the flour so petals stay together and dip in egg mixture. When I fry my tortilla, I make an experiment. I start frying from different sides. In my opinion, the result is the same. They both equally pretty. Here is the same recipe with cheese on top in air fryer. And of course, we also can bake this quesadilla. Please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. And thank you so much for watching.